Millet. Come on out. Carry me. Oh, I see. This must be the human's drinking bowl. Look, it looks like your brother. Fight. Birds are dumb. Here's some food. And some water. Hello, who you? Your new air purifier. I'm here to remove bad dust from the air. Say hi to my brand new filter. It's getting dark. This is mine. And this is yours, okay. Got it. Mine. Mine. Beaver disguise. I didn't gather enough fur. But it should be fine. Want to try? Yos. Gross. Kiss kiss kiss. Heck, stop. Okay, just one more. Hey bird, come down here. No thanks. I have seeds. Hello. Calling for human. 0.02 seconds later. No response. Mom must be dead. Ah. Seeds. Come on. Have you ever met the boogeyman? If he gets you, he makes sure that you can't move. Then he pokes you with cold or pointy things. Ah. Want another? Yos. Your bird ran into a problem and will need to restart. I hate molting. Humans make it look easy. One day your feathers are normal. And the next you have brand new ones. Get this side too. That's the spot. I'm not even touching you. Scritch please. I'll scritch you if you step up. Never mind then. I'll just do it myself. Stop, you're hitting keys. Launch code entered. Missile launch in 3, 2, 1. I'm back. See, I can survive in the wild. Wait, how did you gain weight? This is where the nice older woman puts out treats for us. Just a few more here and there. Perfect. Hey, stop that. Great, now I have to start decorating all over again. Human doing nothing. I'm Quiet Angel. Human on important phone call. Bathroom. What you doing in here, human? Let me in. Let me in. What are we eating? Yum yum. Did you come over just to poop on me? Hee hee. What's wrong? Oh, is it bedtime? Here you go. Good night. Isn't it beautiful? Must have been a huge penguin who laid that. And the truth is, we don't fear the scarecrows. I think I may be Workrow. Huh. Because whenever my human is hiding food, I transform into a much more intelligent bird. No, these are my babies. If you want them, you'll have to go through me. Here, you drop this. Heck that away from me. You got it. Gifts from chicken. Wow, I'm feeling that. I don't have money, human, so I made you this gift instead. They're wireless. Sweet bird, you wouldn't survive one day out in the wild, would you? Hey, yes I could. Excuse me, sir? Where can I find a food bowl out here? Nice shirt. Thanks. What are those tiny pockets for anyways? Bird storage. Hello. Hi human, I have your results. It appears you have the flu. Here's your prescription. Give me seeds. How do I get this fluff off my face? Here, I'll get it. No, it's mine. Perfect. How to get your bird to eat healthy food. This is so good. Too bad birds can't have any. Give me. I win. Cat call. This one is for bathing. And this one is for drinking. Okay. Hey human, come here. Come on, I won't bite. Closer. How to be a good host for your holiday guests. Nibble their toes. Eat their shoelaces. Leave them gifts. Scritch please. God, this guy is rude. You're not gonna get anywhere unless you let go. The mighty Ankylosaurus used his tail as a club, then made his escape. Chicken, no. Chicken, chicken. Who? Here you go. Yoink. Yos, scritches. I have your finger. So don't do it wrong. Are they male or female? It's hard to tell without a DNA test. We'll guess male and call you Bob. Bob was not male. Human doesn't scare me. I could take the fur beast with one wing tied behind my back. I ain't afraid of anything. Orange orb scary.